Hello IG Garage family. Is your car running rough, misfiring, or showing a check engine light with code P0019? If yes, your crankshaft camshaft position sensor bank 2 sensor B might be in trouble. In this video, I'll cover what P0019 means, where the sensor is located, and how to diagnose and fix it. Stay till the end because I'll also recommend two must-watch videos. P0013, exhaust camshaft position actuator circuit open, and P0069, map sensor performance problem. Let's dive in. The P0019 trouble code stands for Crankshaft Position. Camshaft Position Correlation Bank 2 Sensor B. This means the ECM, engine control module, has detected a timing misalignment between the crankshaft and the camshaft on Bank 2. This can lead to rough idling, poor acceleration, or even engine failure if ignored. Common symptoms of P0019 include the check engine light being on, engine misfires or running rough, loss of power and hesitation, poor fuel economy, and hard starting or no start. Common causes of P0019 are a faulty crankshaft or camshaft position sensor, timing chain or belt issues, oil flow problems, wiring or connector damage, and, although rare, a faulty ECM. The crankshaft position sensor (CKP) and camshaft position sensor (CMP) for Bank 2 sensor B are typically located near the bottom of the engine block, close to the harmonic balancer or flywheel. You may need to remove plastic covers or shields to access it. The camshaft position sensor, Bank 2 sensor B, is mounted on the rear or side of the cylinder head on Bank 2, which is the opposite side of Bank 1. Some engines have it near the timing cover or under the intake manifold. Bank 2 is usually on the side of the engine without cylinder 1, so check your car's manual. To locate these sensors, follow the wiring harness from the camshaft and crankshaft areas, leading to their respective positions. First, check the engine oil. If it's dirty or low, replace it with the manufacturer recommended oil. Clogged VVT solenoids due to poor oil flow can trigger P0019. Next, inspect the camshaft and crankshaft sensors. Locate both Bank 2, Sensor B sensors. Disconnect and check for debris, oil contamination or corrosion. Use a multimeter to test for proper resistance. Now, check the timing chain or belt alignment. If the timing is off, you might need a timing chain or belt adjustment, or even a replacement. Then, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for broken, frayed, or corroded wires and repair them if needed. Ensure the connectors are securely attached. Finally, clear the code and take the car for a test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and drive the car to see if the issue returns. And that's how you diagnose and fix P0019, Crankshaft Camshaft Position Correlation, Bank 2 Sensor B. This code can lead to serious engine problems, so fix it as soon as possible to avoid costly repairs. For more essential car repair fixes, check out these must-watch videos: P0013, exhaust camshaft position actuator, circuit open, and P0069, map sensor performance problem. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe to IG Garage, and turn on notifications for more expert car repair content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.